Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, then act quickly. Install Flutter SDK and add it to path so Flutter version works. Install VS Code, then the Flutter and Dart extensions. Restart VS Code to activate them. Next, prepare platform tools. Install Android SDK or Xcode and set Android Home or Xcode path. Once done, open your project folder in VS Code. Make sure you choose the correct device in the lower right status bar before proceeding to build. Now you move into the detailed execution steps. Run Flutter pub get to fetch dependencies and resolve any analyzer or version conflicts so the project builds cleanly. Then start or select an emulator or connect a physical device via USB and accept debugging permissions. On Mac, use an iOS simulator. In VS Code, pick the device in the status bar, then use Run Start Debugging or Run Flutter Run Debug in the integrated terminal. This launches the app and attaches the debugger for iterative work. Finish by iterating and validating behavior on your target device. Use Hot Reload with R for quick UI changes or Hot Restart with R when state resets are needed. Monitor the debug console and verbose logs for exceptions and run Flutter Doctor to detect missing components. If something breaks, try Flutter Clean to clear cached builds, then Flutter pub get and Flutter Run to rebuild. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device is not detected, ensure USB debugging or simulator permissions are enabled and restart the DB server with a DB kill server, then a DB start server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.